Okay. Okay guys, these are my favourite lifts of all time. It's these Mitsubishi lifts. These are some I-pick. Capacity, 21 persons, 1,600 kilos. My goodness, this is so epic. Ooh, very epic. Bang!
Waitrose fast street. Land
Oh my goodness, guys! I-pick! This is so epic! Oh my goodness. Parking 3. This is very epic. Do you like lifts? Very bad, good lift.
going up.
Look at this. Parking orange! Yay! Oh my goodness. Guys. Mitsubishi is my Mitsu is my future elevator. No. Mitsu is my future lift. Mitsu is my future elev. Top 10 reasons. 1. I pick voice. 2. I pick television. 3. I pick walls. 4. I pick bing bong. I pick. Look at how I pick this is. Very epic. Oh my goodness, I'm literally foaming at these lifts. Very epic. Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment and subscribe. My channel is closed.